What is blockchain? You've heard the name, but today we're stripping away the jargon and looking at how it actually works. At its simplest, a blockchain is just a shared digital ledger, a record of transactions that everyone on the network can see. Normally, we rely on a central authority, like a bank, to keep track of our money and verify who owns what. Blockchain removes that middleman. Instead of one central record, every computer in the network keeps its own copy. So, what's inside the block? Every block contains three main things: data, a hash, and the hash of the previous block. The data stored depends on the blockchain. For Bitcoin, it's details about a transaction, the sender, receiver, and the amount of coins. Then there's the hash. Think of this as a digital fingerprint. It's a unique code that identifies a block and all of its contents. If anything inside the block changes, the hash changes too. This makes it very easy to detect any tampering. The third element is the hash of the previous block. This is what effectively creates the chain that links everything together. Because each block points to the one before it, you have a chronological record of every transaction ever made. If you try to change a single block, its hash changes. This makes all following blocks invalid because they no longer point to the right fingerprint. But modern computers are fast and could recalculate hashes quickly. That's where the network comes in to provide real security. Blockchain uses a peer-to-peer network. When someone joins, they get a full copy of the blockchain and use it to verify new blocks. To add a new block, the network must reach consensus. Most computers must agree that the new block is valid and hasn't been tampered with. This process often involves solving complex mathematical puzzles, a mechanism that makes hacking the network incredibly difficult. Once a block is added and verified by the network, it becomes nearly impossible to change. This is called immutability. It's also transparent. While users can remain anonymous, the ledger itself is public, so every move is traceable. Beyond just money, we have smart contracts, tiny programs stored on the blockchain that execute automatically when conditions are met. This technology is being used to secure healthcare records, ensuring patients own their data while making it accessible to doctors. In supply chains, it's used to track products from the factory to your front door, proving exactly where your food or goods came from. Even voting systems are exploring blockchain to eliminate fraud and create a truly transparent election process. In short, blockchain is a revolutionary way to store and verify information without needing a central authority. It's the future of trust in the digital age. Thanks for watching.